am Sandra Braz-tech, a 30-year CEO. I'm also a servant leader, so I developed this 10-step blueprint for protection against online pitfalls based on my personal experience. Number 1, pray, plan, and act. Before taking action, pray for everyone involved. Center yourself with clarity and focus. A calm mind can help you devise a clear plan to address the situation effectively and assertively. Number 2, be vigilant. Treat business dealings like self-defense. Document every promise, every correspondence, and every agreement. Take notes, pictures, and video. Make sure you have detailed records, because that will be your strongest weapon in proving your case if things go wrong. Number 3, question the process. Don't accept vague promises or verbal assurances. Demand a written agreement or invoice clearly detailing the services you are paying for. This creates a legal basis to hold the vendor accountable. Number 4, protect yourself. If services are not delivered as promised, act immediately. Reach out to the vendor and your credit card company in writing to formally request cancellation of the transaction. Swift action often improves your chances of recovery. Number 5, ask for references. Research the vendor thoroughly. Speak to other customers who have received similar services to verify the quality and legitimacy of their offerings. Number 6, take screenshots. Capture critical moments during presentations or interactions. Screenshots of promises or actions can serve as irrefutable evidence if the vendor tries to backtrack or manipulate the situation. Number 7, record the presentation. If possible, record presentations or meetings. Audio and video recordings provide a definitive account of what was said and promised. If access is revoked later, you still have proof. Number 8, fight back. Leverage resources like your credit card company, legal counsel, the Better Business Bureau, your state attorney general, and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Also remember to report the incident to your local authorities, even if the vendor is from another state. Most of them have special offices dedicated to this area. These organizations exist to support and protect consumers. Number 9, speak up. Share your story publicly to raise awareness and to warn others. This could be through online reviews, videos, social media, or consumer advocacy platforms. Number 10, ensure clear terms. Terms like non-refundable should always be tied to specific written agreements of service delivery. Without clear, documented delivery terms, non-refundable policies may not be enforceable. Develop your own verification system. Perform independent verification and do not feel pressured or fall prey to aggressive fear of lost sales tactics that pressure you into real-time decisions. Walking away is very powerful. It's bonus time. Please like, subscribe, and donate to our channel and provide comments so we can work together to spread awareness. Here's the bonus. Report the abuse to the online platform, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. These platforms will investigate potential problems and take appropriate action. These platforms make money from businesses that advertise, and the businesses make a lot of money by using these platforms. They know misinformation harms consumers and reputable businesses. If consumers cannot trust the online platform, they will not use their platform. That's why these platforms have strict policies and procedures for consumers to file complaints. Prayerfully, by following these steps, you can protect yourself, online, hold businesses accountable, and help protect others from online pitfalls. I need your support. Please like, subscribe, and donate to this channel so we can unite together and amplify our voices.